Just smile. Yeah. Are you sticking your tongue out at me? Huh? Are you sticking your tongue out at me? That's a bad habit. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're smiling for the camera. You're smiling for the camera. Thank you. Thank you for telling us that. Really? Is that so? No. When you stick your tongue out, that means you like it, right? Yeah? Okay. Good job.